I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for welcoming me into your lives every weeknight for 5 years. It has been a tremendous journey, and I hope I delivered as a producer, reporter, and anchor. As a token of my appreciation to all of you, here is something that everyone loves: well-hidden bloopers. It is also noted in the Caribbean Tourism Organization report that cruises remained...
Hi, I'm on TV. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom.
Jesus, ready? Can you check my angle again? Is it okay? Yeah? Alton, someone's looking for you. Look what you did! Spritz. Now, as great as this technology sounds, some experts are saying what you gain in speed, you lose in comprehension. Spritz. Ready? This is our last segment for the morning. Have yourself a wonderful Thursday. For now, here is the rest of the Today Show. Back on for you. Thank you so much for watching. 15 on 15 airs weeknights at 7:15 p.m. right here on Channel 15 ATV. And before we go, I have to give a sincere thank you to my sponsors, and that includes Bukudi and Tata Beach Resort, Romar Trading, DB Resorts, Matthews, as well as 14 Biz. Until next time.